In this video, I will be taking you through the steps involved with scanning gels on the Odyssey DLx or CLX. So with the LI-COR Acquisition Software open, go ahead and click on Scan, select the user, and then most of the time there will just be a single instrument listed on here. So just go ahead and click or select that and then click Connect. We're going to choose Gel. We're going to draw our scan area on here. And if you have two gels that you want to scan, you can draw a second one on there as well. And then if you need to manually edit the values, just click on Edit Scan Area. And I'm going to size this down just to save a little bit of time. Click Next. And then say if you're just doing a Kumasi stain gel, you would just choose the 700. Or if you do have you just choose that right there and then click Save. You choose the focus offset. The offset will be equal to half the thickness of the gel. So if you have a 1 millimeter gel, you would set that to 0.5 millimeters. And then go ahead and click Start Scan. And so then once the acquisition has started, it will give you the estimated time remaining right up here. If during the scan you do notice that there is something wrong with how things are set up, you click Stop Scan. Now, a lot of the parameters are preset. So this is an auto scan setting at 169 microns. If you do need different scan parameters, you will have to use the custom settings when you first start setting up the scan. If you have scanned multiple areas and you only want to export one of those scans or export them individually, uncheck this. But if you want to export them all together, just click Export to Analyze and then save that and then transfer that to the computer where you have Imperia. If you just need something for presentation or for printing, just go ahead and click on that button right there. And then once you have finished, just go ahead and click on Leave to go back to the main menu. Thank you.